Welcome to Beginner to Fluent. What if I told you that learning just 5 words a day could completely change your English? Not 50. Not 100. Just 5 simple words every day. It sounds small, right? But this small habit can build something powerful. In 1 week, that's 35 words. In 1 month, that's more than 150 words. In 1 year, that's over 1,800 new words. Now imagine how confident you would feel speaking English with that vocabulary. This is not a difficult method. This is not a complicated system. This is simple, practical, and something anyone can do. Let me show you how this small habit can slowly transform your English.
Learning English can feel overwhelming. There are so many words, so many rules, and so many things to remember. Many learners try to learn everything at once, and because of that, they feel tired and confused.
But what if learning English could be simple? What if you only focused on learning 5 new words every day?
This method is easy to follow, easy to remember, and very effective. It does not require long hours of study. It only requires consistency. Let's explore how this simple habit works and how you can use it in your daily life.
Every morning, I begin my day by looking at my notebook. In this notebook, I write 5 new English words. These words are not difficult. They are simple and useful words that I can use in daily life.
For each word, I do 3 things. I write the word. I learn its meaning. I say it out loud.
Speaking the word is very important. It helps me remember the pronunciation and feel comfortable using it. For example, if I learn the word happy, I say, I am happy today.
If I learn the word learn, I say, I want to learn English. These simple sentences help me connect the word with real meaning.
Writing each word in a notebook makes a big difference. When I write, I focus more. When I write, I remember better.
I don't just read the word, I create it with my own hand. Sometimes, I also write a short sentence for each word. This helps me understand how to use it.
For example, word, strong. Sentence, I want to become strong in English. This simple practice makes learning more active.
At school, I try to use the words I learned in the morning. Even if the sentences are simple, I still use them.
For example, I might say, this is a good idea. I feel excited today. I will practice more.
Using words in real situations is very important. It helps move the word from memory into real use. When you use a word, you truly learn it.
At home, I continue practicing. I talk to my family or friends in English. I try to include the new words in my conversations. Even if my sentences are not perfect, I still try.
For example, I am feeling tired but happy. I learned something new today. This practice builds confidence. It also makes learning fun.
Sometimes, I draw pictures to remember words. For example, if I learn the word apple, I draw an apple. If I learn the word run, I draw a person running.
These simple drawings help my brain remember the meaning more clearly. Visual memory is powerful. It makes learning easier and more interesting.
Another way I learn new words is by listening to songs. When I hear a new word, I try to understand it and remember it.
Songs help in many ways. They improve listening skills. They teach pronunciation. They introduce new vocabulary.
Learning through music feels natural and enjoyable.
You may wonder, why only 5 words? Because 5 words are easy to manage. If you try to learn too many words at once, you may forget them quickly.
But 5 words are simple. You can remember them. You can practice them. You can use them.
This makes learning effective.
Learning 5 words a day may seem small, but it creates big results over time. Day by day, your vocabulary grows.
Week by week, your confidence increases. Month by month, your English becomes stronger. Small steps lead to big progress.
The key to this method is consistency. You don't need to study for hours. You don't need to learn everything at once.
You just need to continue every day. Even if you feel tired, try to learn at least 1 or 2 words. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Some days may feel difficult. You may forget words. You may feel slow. But that is normal.
Do not stop. Review old words. Repeat them. Use them again. Every repetition makes your memory stronger.
As your vocabulary grows, your confidence also grows. You can express your thoughts better. You can understand more. You can speak more easily.
This confidence motivates you to continue learning.
This habit is not just about studying. It is about using English in daily life. You begin to think in English.
You begin to speak naturally. English becomes part of your routine.
Learning English does not have to be difficult. You don't need to learn hundreds of words at once. Just start with 5 words a day.
Write them. Speak them. Use them. Be consistent. Little by little, your English will improve. Your vocabulary will grow. Your confidence will increase.
Remember, small daily actions create big results. So start today. Learn 5 words. Use them. Repeat tomorrow.
And one day, you will look back and realize your English has become strong, natural, and confident.
Thanks for watching.